Hello and welcome. I'm going to be taking you through a very short seated flow that we can do anywhere and any time. So when you're ready, begin to come through to your seated position. That will look different for all of us. When we're ready, what we'll begin to do is take the shoulders up towards the ears, begin to roll the shoulder blades back, just taking a few rounds, and the hands might naturally come away from the body or even the earth. I might go a little bit bigger. I'm going to alternate. You might have one that goes with a little bit more ease and one side's a little bit more hesitant. I say that with a knowing giggle for my own body. We'll go in the opposite direction. Again, alternating, maybe both going forward. And then we'll begin to release the hands down towards the thigh. Tucking the chin in towards the chest, we'll begin to round, coming through to a seated cat-like pose. Rounding, maybe we take a gentle little sway, massaging the back of the heart between the shoulder blades. And then beginning to take a few rounds of cat-cow. Really getting to all the nooks and crannies of the sit bones and the shoulders and the spine. And beginning to take the shoulders back over the sit bones. Casually beginning to bring that left hand to the outside of that right temple or ear and taking a gentle neck stretch. So this left ear is coming towards the left shoulder. Right hand can stay in our lap. Maybe it begins to travel down towards the earth. Something that I've been exploring recently is taking a gentle bind with that right hand. So maybe the back of the fingertips towards the lower back. Maybe we come all the way over towards this left. Letting that elbow go towards the back of your space. We'll begin to take the left hand up towards the sky, releasing the right hand to the earth. We'll begin to take a gentle twist, taking the gaze over the shoulder. Exhaling, taking that right hand across the body, tucking and rounding cat. And we'll begin to lift the arms, taking an eagle. As when we get to our eagle or hug, we'll take the elbows over towards the left. And through center, beginning to release your eagle or hug, we'll begin to cactus. Fingertips rising. And we'll begin to release that left hand, right hand coming onto the left side of the head. Again, taking any choices with that left hand. Right hand beginning to lift. We'll take our twist. Left hand coming across, tucking and rounding, cat. Shoulders coming out of sit bones. So we begin to lift our arms, giving ourselves that hug first, then beginning to explore your eagle. Regardless of whether we're eagle or hug, we'll begin to take the elbows over towards the right. And coming back through center, beginning to unfurl, cactus. And then we begin to take the arms up and then down by our sides. We're going to begin to explore either pretend pockets or interlacing the hands behind us, opening up the chest. And if you're bound, the knuckles may come to the mat. They might not be even close. Pretend pockets, the elbows are coming towards each other. And from here, we're going to come into a gentle forward fold. So beginning to hinge, you'll know when it's enough. Lifting the torso, Beginning to gently release the hands, find your pretend pockets. We'll begin to take the legs, so the soles of the feet are in contact with the earth. We'll take the hands behind us to begin with. We're going to take a gentle windshield wiping side to side. So we're going to explore a deer, or 90-90. I'm sure it's got another name as well. We're going to begin to let the knees gravitate over towards the left and just playing around with the placement of the legs. And we can stay here, just ensure we're not caving, we want to open. So option 1, staying right here, opening up the chest. Imagine cobra, cow-like space between the collarbones and the chin. Or we may, with the support of the hands, we can take the shoulders over the sit bones with the heels. Now what's going to happen for most is that right sit bone is probably going to lift. We might get a prop here if you like, if we're going to linger, or you might begin to melt over that left side. So again, hands down, maybe we come onto a forearm, maybe we melt. So melting over the deer could be a different variation of pigeon as well. If we've melted or come shoulders over the sit bones, we'll begin to come back through to that base. If the hands are behind us, with time, taking the soles of the feet back to the earth, readjusting. Maybe taking a gentle windshield when we arrive. And we'll take it on the opposite side. So again, going over to the right, staying here, rolling. Maybe we take the sit bones over the heels. Maybe we begin to melt. You can stay upright, or again, you can begin to come down. If we've melted, beginning to come back, shoulders over the sit bones, we'll come back through to that base, hands behind. Soles of the feet coming to the earth, readjusting. Gently beginning to windshield. When you're ready, we'll come back through to our easy seat. Shoulders coming over the sit bones. We'll begin to take the arms up. Begin to bend the elbows, hands coming to the back of the head. Palms maybe in contact. You might even interlace the hands behind, but the thumbs being close to the neck. And we'll begin to take the arms up and then down into the heart space. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short, simple yoga flow. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos or playlists, either for longer videos or just stacking your practice, check out the link in the description. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you again soon.